This camera. Are you kidding me, dude? You gotta be kidding me. That whole time while I was just driving, my camera, the lens was on manual focus. Alright, so we are here at the beach where I love to shoot photos. I got plenty on my Instagram if you guys follow me on there from this location I'm at. I did wake up a little bit late and I was lazy to get out of the house, so it looks like the sun's really in like a bad part of the sky. You can't really see, everything's kind of in the shade, so I feel like the photos on this thing are definitely not going to come out that great, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. With the camera here, I have no idea how to use this thing. Half of it is written in like Spanish, so we're gonna have to figure this out, and I'll tell you guys when I figured it out, because right now I have no idea. Alright, so I just took the first picture with it. I have no idea how it came out. I don't know if I'm too close to the subject. I don't know if I'm too far. I really have no idea like what the focal length is on this thing. But hopefully it came out nice. It's crazy how like you guys already saw the image and I have no idea how it came out, and I probably won't know how it came out for a few more days now. It's crazy how that happens.